Welcome to another key session on large language models, LLMs, and related technologies. These videos are designed to sharpen your knowledge and prepare you for interviews in today's competitive job market. Each video includes a free self-evaluation quiz, and for our interns, we provide exclusive Anki flashcards to help you master and retain these concepts effectively. Let's get started. Wishing you the very best in your learning journey.
Today, we're going to talk about something you've probably never heard of, but it could completely change the game for artificial intelligence. It's called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, and its big promise? To be the universal bridge for all of AI. Let's see what that's all about.
So, to really get why a protocol like MCP is such a big deal, we gotta ask a pretty basic question. With all these incredible AI tools out there, why is it still so messy to just connect them to the data they need to be truly useful?
And that question, it gets right to the heart of AI's biggest headache today, this connection problem. Every single time a developer wants to hook up a new AI model to a database or a service, it just adds another layer of custom, complicated work. It's a mess.
Okay, here's the best way to think about it. Imagine you're traveling the world, right? But every single country has its own unique electrical outlet. You'd need a totally different custom-built adapter for your phone, for your laptop, for everything in every single country. It'd be an absolute nightmare. Well, that's pretty much the world AI developers are living in right now.
And this right here, this shows you the two different worlds we're talking about. On the left, that's today. That's the tangled, chaotic web of custom connections. But on the right, that's the future with MCP, a single, standard, universal bridge. It's really the difference between needing like 1,000 different keys for 1,000 different doors and just having one master key that opens everything. All right, so how do we get from that messy web to that clean, simple connection? How do we build that universal bridge? Well, that is exactly where the Model Context Protocol steps in. It's designed to be the elegant, simple answer to all that chaos. At its heart, MCP is just a standard. It's a shared language. Think of it like a USB port for AI. Instead of having to invent a new plug for every device, you just have one standard port. Any AI can use it to connect to any tool or any database. It's the simple, obvious solution developers have been dreaming of.
Okay, that all sounds great, right? A universal plug for AI? Awesome. But how does it really work? Let's pop the hood and take a look at what actually makes this protocol tick.
The secret sauce here is actually something you use, probably hundreds of times a day without even thinking about it. It's client-server architecture. It works exactly like your web browser, which is the client asking a website server for a web page. MCP just takes that simple, proven idea and applies it to AI.
So this table breaks down the main players. You've got your MCP servers, which are basically offering up data and tools. And then you have the MCP clients. Those are the AIs that want to use that stuff. The stuff they're offering is split into two types: resources, which is just the data, and tools, which are the actions the AI can perform. And the way the AI asks for things, that's called a prompt.
And to make that super clear, a resource could be something like a list of customer profiles, or a bunch of transaction histories, or even just a folder full of documents. And a tool could be a specific action, like generate invoice, or translate text, or run query. It's really that simple. These are the Lego bricks the AI gets to play with. And the way they talk to each other? It's so simple. 2 steps. Step 1, the AI client sends a prompt. That's just a structured question like, hey, can you find all the transactions from last month that were over $500? Step 2, the server just does it. It provides the data or runs the tool. That's it. That's the whole conversation. No custom code, just a clean, predictable handshake. Okay, so that's the how. We get it. It's a simple, standard way for things to connect. But what about the so what? Why should we actually care about this? What does a universal bridge for AI really mean for the future? This quote from the protocol's own documentation, I think it says it all. MCP creates a common bridge. See, right now, AIs and the data they need to be smart, they live in these separate, walled-off gardens. This protocol comes along and just tears down all those walls. And that could completely change how fast and how cheaply we can build amazing new AI applications. And here is the real game changer, the ultimate promise. a true plug-and-play world for AI. Just imagine any AI being able to securely and instantly connect to any tool or any database, because they all speak the exact same language from the get-go. This unlocks a level of teamwork between different systems that, honestly, we've just never had before.
And, that leaves us with this really mind-blowing question to chew on. We spent all this time building these incredibly powerful AIs, but they've all been kind of shouting into the void, stuck in their own little worlds. If a protocol like MCP finally lets them all speak the same language, what kind of new conversations are they going to start having with each other? What amazing new things will they build together? The possibilities there are really something else.
Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to test your knowledge with the quick self-evaluation quiz. The link is right in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And if you haven't yet explored our self-paced AI internship program, visit shogini.com for full details. Wishing you all the best in your AI journey.